Emily and Xiao Jingzi were best of friends. Emily loved wandering through the jungle while Xiao Jingzi, a little bacterium, breaking down leaves into rich nutrients for the soil. One day, a terrible storm hit the jungle and rain poured for hours. The rivers swelled and soon the entire jungle was flooded. Xiao Jingzi, glowing dimly and trembling, "Emily, I need your help," it said, its voice weak. "I can't do my job underwater. The leaves will rot and the soil won't be healthy." "Don't worry, Xiao Jingzi. We'll fix this together." Emily found some large stones and started building small raised platforms on higher grounds where the water hadn't reached yet. She then gathered fallen leaves and placed them on top of the platforms. "Here," Emily said, "you can continue breaking down these leaves up here, away from the flood waters." Xiao Jingzi wiggled with excitement. "Thank you, Emily. This is perfect. I can still help the soil even during the flood." When the waters finally dried up, the soil was healthier than ever, full of nutrients, ready for new plants to grow. Xiao Jingzi, now glowing brightly, floated up to her. "Thank you, Emily. I couldn't have done it without you." Emily smiled. "That's what friends are for, Xiao Jingzi. We'll always help each other